Correction lang nga pala dito last time. Mali ako ng pagkakaaral. Tama yung sagot natin, mali analysis ko. Limit of the GIF of M minus 3 all over M minus S, M approaches 3. Well, kapag GIF ito gagawin natin, i-analyze natin as M approaches 3 from the left at from the right. So, tingnan natin yung from the left, all we have to do, pag sinubstitute yan dito, 3 from the left, well, you will have there, kuha tayo ng particular value, say 2.99. These also, okay, say 3 from the 3 minus 3. So you will get here 2 minus 3 over 0. So you will have here negative 1 over 0. Now, what kind of 0 do we have here? 0 plus or 0 minus? Dahil meaning natin 2.9 can be from the left. This one would be 3 from the left, or this would be 0 minus or 0 from the left. 0 minus, so we get here positive infinity. On the other hand, yung second one, limit of the GIF of M minus 3 over M minus 3 as M approaches 3 from the right. Okay, maling analysis ko. Hindi pa na kailangan gawin ito. Ang ginawa mo, di ba, nag-recall tayo that x is between, or f, the GIF of x is equal to n, if and only if x is between n and n plus 1. Tapos ang ginawa ko, tinake x to be equal to m. Kaya nakuha natin GIF of, sorry pala. Tinake ko pala balik tayo. Tinake ko n is equal to n. So, ito ang nakuha natin. Okay? So, ginawa ko, pinalitan ko ito ngayon ng M. Ang nangyari ganito. Okay? Ito yung ginawa ko. Actually, mali ito. Okay. Mali yan. Instead, we'll still use this fact here. Kung 3 from the right ka, 3 from the right, ibig sabihin, tandaan natin ang GIF of M. Kapag ganito class, may GIF, in fact, itong analysis na gagawin ko nito, it will also apply here. Tandaan ninyo, ito ay equal sa, well, this one is equal to, sa 0 minus 0 M is between 0 and 1. 1 if M is between 1 and 2. Tapos ito naman ay 2 if M is between 2 and 3. 3 if M is between 3 and 4, and so on. Okay. Now, sabi dito 3 from the right. Kung 3 from the right yan, ano papalitan natin dito? Kung 3 from the right, nasan yun? Ito yun, yung 3 from the right. All numbers greater than or equal to 3. Ibig sabihin, si GI of M, papalitan natin na 3. So, ibig sabihin, ito ay equal sa limit of papalitan ng 3 minus 3 over M minus 3 as M approaches 3 from the right. So, we will get here limit of 0 over M minus 3 as M approaches 3 from the right. Okay. Now, bakit siya equal sa 0? 0 na kuha natin, no? Or 1? Ay, 1. Wait. 3 from the right. Ang nakuha natin ay 1. 0. Tama, okay. Bakit 0 nakuha natin? Kasi, okay, ang ginawa natin, di ba, akala natin, nung ito yung ginawa natin, ang nakuha natin, 0 over 0 kung determinant. Okay, so, mali itong analysis natin. Instead, we have to use this analysis here. Ibig sabihin, M still approaching 3 from the right. Palapit pa lang si M. So, itong part na to, hindi pa talaga to equals 3. Lumalapit pa lang siya sa 3. So, ibig sabihin, denominator natin, hindi talaga ito 0 pa. So, we have here 0 over a number. So, 0 divided by a number, we get here 0. So, buti na na-capture ng camera natin. So, para na wala kayo sa pagkaka-analyze. Don't worry, hindi ito lalabas ano natin, sa quiz natin or sa finals. Bakit ko lumalapit sa camera? Okay, exposition kung paano naghahalo ako GIF at limit. Okay, so we now go on to our last topic ng limit. Pero, continuation pa. Ibibigay ko naman pala yung syllabus din mamaya. Hindi ko lang magsamas yung office. Okay, this time, ito naman limits of infinity. Ibigay natin yung difference ng limits of infinity sa infinite limits. Okay. Basta natin ito itong function ko rin naman. Now, we take values of x from 1 to 10,000 or maybe 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Tapos negative 1, negative 10, negative 100, negative 1,000, negative 10,000. Now, if you have this function y is equal to 1 over x, ano ang value ni f of x at x is equal to 1? It will be 1. Pag 10, 1 over 10. Pag 100, 1 over 100. Dito naman, 1 over 1,000. And lastly, 1 over 10,000. Now, for negative 1, we have here negative 1. Ito ay negative 1 over 10. Negative 1 over 100. Negative 1 over 1,000. And negative 1 over 10,000. Okay, so, in the plans tayo. So what do we notice here? We see that the values of f of x eventually get closer and closer to sa siya papunta. So we have 1, 1 over 10, 1 over 100. So kung imagine ang pizza yan, isang pizza pinaghatian ng 10, isang pizza pinaghatian ng 100, isang pizza pinaghatian ng 10,000 tao. Eventually, ang pizza mabubukan 1 million euro na. It's almost 0. So eventually get closer and closer to 0. As x increases without bound, equivalently, we can say that, or we can make 1 over x as close as we like to, again, 0. So like the example, fill in the blanks. Magiging values of x that are, kasi ito yung blank that are blank. Okay? So ito yung kapag sufficiently large. Now, let's have an analogous kung paano po pwede naman natin pwede naman natin i-decrease din yung value niya, yung x value. So, on the other hand, dito naman, kung negative 1, kung may negative 1 na tao, or negative 1 na pizza, yung negative 1 pizza pag-ahatian, or, sorry, 1 pizza pa rin, 1 pizza, pag-ahatian ng negative 1 na tao, spot 1 yun. So, eventually, ano nangyayari? Yung 1 na yun, pag pinag-ahatian ng negative 10, negative 100, negative 1,000, negative 1,000, actually, may x sufficiently negatively large, yung f of x natin, papunta siya sa 0 din. So, we have this state, or we have this paragraph. Okay? So, more of it. So, ano na lang ito. Ito na yung counterpart, ito yung positive 1 here. Okay. Ang haba ng mga susunod ko. Definition. If f is defined as some open interval a positive infinity, then if the limit of f of x as x increases without bound is L, we write it as limit of f of x as x approaches positive infinity is equal to L. On the other hand, kung yung f ko naman define ang open interval negative infinity to b, then yung limit ng f of x as x decreases without bound, we write it as limit of f of x as x approaches negative infinity is equal to L. Graphically, ang ibig sabihin lang yan. So, kung ang graph mo or yung function mo habang kumuha ka ng values ng x na napakalaki, lumalapit siya kay L. So, you can have, kung ito si L, lumalapit yung graph mo ngayon, papunta kay L. Similarly, pwede rin yung graph mo, ganito ang tsura. Okay? It's approaching this line, L here. On the other hand, if your function is, or as you take values of x that are sufficiently negatively large, kung ano naman si L, ang graph mo naman ngayon ay, well, lumalaki yung values ng x mo, pero yung graph mo or yung function mo, lumalaki na L. Similarly, it can also be seen in this manner. Nakakulay naman. Remarks indicatively, limit of f of x is x approaches positive infinity equal to L, or its counterpart of negative infinity, means that the values of f of x get closer and closer to L as x increases or decreases indefinitely. Now, yung second one, mukha siyang redundant, pero ito lang yung generalization kanina sa 1 over x. We also say that if the limit of f of x as x approaches positive infinity equal to L, or limit of f of x as x approaches negative infinity equal to L. If we can make f of x as close as we like to L by taking values of x that are sufficiently large, or for this one here, sufficiently negatively large. Now, pangatlo. Okay. Ito, class, limits at infinity. Now, pwede maghalo ang limits at infinity at infinite limits. Ibig sabihin, there will be corresponding definitions for limit of f of x as x approaches infinity. Pwede mag-equal yan sa positive infinity or negative infinity. Similarly, limit of f of x as x approaches negative infinity is equal to positive infinity or negative infinity. We will see later examples sa kung saan